Hiyo tuaita sengenche project ya Kuwait unatumanya the project ya anste mapema sana ikaba launch the president about 2-3 years ago so lero wetera sabara ya Banyamira bonspi twaru mukutana ne minister to make a decision to icha se ground elinde total le skuru chirichwende go benefit shionspi as a county ya Nyamira elinde to manya na problems kichirororo to maintain about 6 of them out of 21 lots chiabere chiakolirwe so that ko anda toligereri to manye problem erororo to sange baske bali kwenda okora contracts echi to sange management echi school elinde to manye exactly problems kichirororo. After that to like report to lemba kwenda goteneni kumbara kwenda okolega aseyo
inche Kor West Mogrango chik project chia na chikuwa mete egesieri project yere Bomondo project yere Nyagachi na Mongolis abantu batenrete Ministry of Education ekero chitende chiare koena mangana inotari yonse ego there is no way mwara gotochorera contractor chitaiyo chitareport ti site, and that is why ngwakirawa chumbe ba minto Banyamira ngambu ya mono on this one go gotara amo to make sure that chibes kia Banyamira chia soire alias chia keire goso.
There's a small problem. A contract they have got two parts: the infrastructure, the buildings, and equipment, the furniture. Era very surprising mumanyare ronga. Part 1 mbara ikanywa 20%, 30%. Lakini furniture ya very delivered 100%. Yani birogo computers biaretiru bitabuga ese nyanyene kirasi kitaragacho. That tells you about the contracting nature and the problems tobugate ekare kiramangana tendering in this country. Nto koba nebinto bikoba launched byatkerunchira. Otora abuna bajumbe asobwamo kororanga chi project cha Nyamira nchibasa koikana another election cycle nchira era egendere ko bimigano ya bere myaka ya maega tutagete ibintu by January next year all these contractors barure site abana baito banyodera wa projects.
Tukienda kwa ground wao wenyewe ndio wata decide kwa sababu kuna wale wenyewe wameperform. Kama kwangu kuna contractor wamefanya menyenya 90%, Maanga 90%, kuna Gesebei is at 0. Contractor alikuja na akahama. So kama ministry ingefanya hima wapeane wale ambao wameonyesha ya kwamba wako na uwezo waendelee na hizo projects under the same terms.
Ntuna bajumbe tora tokorera abantu ase siasa era na botraetanira lakini ase mirimo y'abantu ntogwetana tore tayari ko deliver for the people. Wananchi Banyamira ngo batembia mono ase more mumanyanga we are there for you etoko barwanirira kende gyonse kegie konyarekana gokoreka gekoreke.